Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a document in Pakistan. The process ensures your important papers gain legal recognition and authenticity. We will cover finding the right notary, preparing your documents, and understanding the steps involved. Knowing these details can save you time and prevent common errors. This guide will help you confidently navigate the notarization requirements for various official uses. You must seek a public notary who is properly authorized for this task in Pakistan. These professionals are often advocates or lawyers holding a current license and a specific commission. Always verify their credentials to ensure the notarization is valid and legally binding. You can usually find a list of registered notaries through bar associations or local courts. Confirming their authority is a crucial first step. When visiting the notary, always bring the original document you need notarized, ensuring it is complete and ready. Crucially, you must present your original national identity card or other valid government-issued identification. The notary will need to verify your identity before proceeding. If your document requires signatures from other parties, ensure they are also present with their identification, if applicable, for proper witnessing. During your appointment, the notary will first confirm your identity using the original identification you provided. They will then carefully review your document and, if necessary, witness your signature directly. Following this, the notary will apply their official stamp, sign the document, and impress their unique seal. This official act signifies that the document has been properly authenticated and is ready for its intended legal purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.